the unboxing of a 2025 Evoque Atom. Most scooters, so the ones you sit on with your feet in front, I call them Vespa style. This is generally how they come. You get a motorcycle style, they're much more put together. So, ta-da! How intimidating is that? So I always ask, what's your skill level? It's not that hard. It's really not that hard, but putting the front tire on can be challenging. So I would definitely have a buddy to help with that. So that is your front tire. They are packed beautifully, I must say. These are packed really, really well. A lot of the scooters also come in crates, like from Emo, and Evoque does not have the metal crate around it, but they've really put the effort into having some packing on it. Oh, manhandle it. That is your front panel. This is your little cute backrest and the seats. So there's a few steps to this one. They're no joke. And yeah, so let's get into it. This took an hour, so if you're new to this, don't be deterred if it's been 2 hours since you've been starting this, and always better to have a friend. Absolutely. Support, or just emotional support. Yeah.
Yes. Ta-da.
Gorgeous.